Today, we're diving into the world of business presentations and how to create presentations that'll grab your audience's attention and leave a lasting impression. Let's face it, presentations can be a drag for both the presenter and the audience. But fear not, by following some key tips, you can transform your presentations from boring to brilliant. The power of presentations. Presentations are a powerful tool for a variety of business needs. Whether you're pitching a new product to investors, training employees on a new process, or giving a status update to your team, a well-crafted presentation can make all the difference. Know your audience. The first step to creating a successful presentation is to know your audience. Who are you presenting to? What is their level of knowledge about the topic? What are their interests and needs? Once you understand your audience, you can tailor your presentation to their specific interests. Keep it simple and focused. It's tempting to try and cram everything you know about a topic into your presentation, but resist the urge. Your audience will remember the key points better if you keep your presentation focused and concise. People connect with stories. Weave a story into your presentation to capture your audience's attention and make your message more memorable. Visuals are key. Let's face it, a wall of text is boring. Liven up your presentation with visuals like images, infographics, and videos. Visuals can help to break up text, illustrate your points, and make your presentation more visually appealing. The power of design. Design matters. A well-designed presentation is more visually appealing and easier to follow. Use a consistent color scheme and fonts throughout your presentation. Practice makes perfect. Don't wing it. Rehearse your presentation beforehand to ensure you can deliver your presentation confidently and smoothly. By following these tips, you can create business presentations that are engaging, informative, and memorable. Ready to take your presentations to the next level? Animoto offers a variety of presentation templates and tools to help you create stunning presentations that'll wow your audience. Check out the link in the description to learn more about Animoto and get started on your free trial today. Happy video making!